Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You should begin with legitimate compliance steps. You need a working recovery email and up-to-date browser. This helps Google accept your account without extra prompts. Once done, start the Google account flow and enter accurate personal details. Make sure to skip optional phone prompts when offered, not by using shady workarounds, but by providing a recovery email and completing profile fields. If prompted for verification, pause and check for any troubleshooting prompts or alternative verification methods, Google Presence. As you continue, focus on the allowed alternatives Google gives. Enter a recovery email and verify it when asked. This reduces the need for a phone. If an on-screen help link appears, use it to request alternative verification paths. Google sometimes offers review via recovery email or identity documents. Once you submit correct info, wait for any automated review to complete. Make sure to follow prompts carefully. Rushing or using third-party number services risks account suspension and is not recommended. Finish by completing any verification Google requires through the approved channels you used earlier. Check your recovery email, including spam, for confirmation links and respond to any requests for more information. If your account creation is blocked, use Google Help or Support to appeal, and when safe and requested, provide identity documents. Do not attempt technical workarounds. One key troubleshooting tip: wait 24 to 48 hours and retry with the same accurate details before taking further steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.